have to be honest, I frankly just been told yesterday where we are going.
Today, I'm doing something that I bet 99% of you have never done before. I'm going to be boarding a flight without any idea where it's going.
Unlike everyone else on board, these two do know where we're going. I hope they do anyway.
I didn't even know where we were going until just a few days ago. That's all I can say for now.
SAS have invited me to join them on their Destination Unknown mystery flight. Departing from Copenhagen Airport, this flight was sold to the public for €30,000 bonus points with the promise of a weekend away at a mysterious destination. And for me, travel's all about adventure, entering the unknown and taking on new experiences. So what better time to leave rainy London behind and head for Copenhagen as I prepare for what is surely going to be one of the most unique flights of my life.
Good morning from Denmark. I'm very pleased to say that I've made it safely to Copenhagen Airport. Such a surreal feeling arriving at the airport not knowing where I'm going. I don't even know what terminal I'm actually meant to be at because there are no signs to look out for. I don't have a destination. Have a little wander through here, hopefully find out where I'm going. There's about 60 or 70 people here, none of whom have any idea where they're going. Good morning. Cheers. Just seen a sign on the departures board and instead of the destination it said unknown Schengen, so it'll be somewhere in the Schengen area. Okay, well I've definitely made it to the right gate. As you can see behind me, that is the B8 Destination Unknown gate. There's a big party going on, there's music blaring, there's a few goodies to take as well by the looks of it, so let's go and get involved. Well, the gate party was a lot of fun, but this is the real moment of truth. About to step on board this SAS A320neo for the first time. Actually, only my second time ever flying with SAS, so high expectations. Don't know exactly what I'm in for a number of reasons, but real fun is about to begin. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you. Here I am stepping on board for the first time of this A320neo from SAS, and first thing to note, it's all in one configuration today, economy 3x3, but the coolest feature by far is the Destination Unknown branding on every single seat.
It is really my utmost pleasure welcoming you on board this flight, but I will actually spare one little detail with you. The flight time, it is somewhere between 1.5 to 5.5 hours. so please sit back, enjoy this flight. There's going to be a lot of entertainment for you guys here, and you will have to endure the excitement just a little while longer. So once again, welcome aboard. I'm pleased to say we've taken off en route to Destination Unknown, and looking out the window I'm just realising if I was a bit better at geography I might have an idea of the direction we're going in. That might help me guess where it's going to be, but I've got no clue what I'm looking at, so your guess is as good as mine. And speaking of guesses, make sure you leave your guess in the comments below before the big reveal later in the video. Well, even though this is pretty different to the usual sort of flight you see me take, as I'm here, I may as well give you a quick review of my seat. So, as I mentioned, on this A320neo, it sets out in a 3x3 one-class configuration, and that class is economy. Not a bad amount of width, but it is pretty basic as an economy seat goes. Don't have a headrest, but the seat isn't uncomfortable. It is pretty firm, you know, not that different to an EasyJet kind of feel, but I'm not complaining because there is a lot of fun to be had. We do have a little USB charging port, which is handy. Here we have a little flip for the pull-out tray table. The leg room is actually not bad, but you'll have to take my word for it because my big black rucksack is taking up most of my leg room at the moment. Now, while I don't have an amenity kit as such to talk you through today, I have something even cooler, and that is a big Destination Unknown goodie bag. And I wonder if some of the items in here might give me some hints to where I'm going today. So let's have a look inside. Oh, that's a lovely, lovely high quality Destination Unknown Chili's-esque bottle. So maybe a bit of hiking involved, maybe somewhere you need to be hydrated. Could be a lot of things, to be honest. Crispy caramel chocolate, Euro bonus Destination Unknown travel wallet, bottle of water, always handy. Some sea salt cashew nuts, chocolate coated wine gums, hand luggage protein bar, cleansing foam, Destination Unknown luggage tag. Oh, this is definitely the biggest hint yet. Some after sun, which tells me we are probably not going to be going somewhere cold. Very interesting. Is this a beach towel? It's giving me beach towel vibes. So that and the sun cream makes me think we are definitely going somewhere hot. Tell you what, it's not often you get to watch a DJ perform in the middle of your flight. Pretty cool experience, loving the vibes on board SAS so far. Well, even though the seating is economy, the service is definitely first class, and just been brought some champagne to kick off the meal service today. So for that I'd say cheers, or in Swedish, skål. Well, I've just been brought my lunch, and I can tell you now as well, this is definitely not economy food. I've got a whole tray of goodies, which includes Japanese egg custard with seaweed caviar, grilled green asparagus with sweet pea dressing, local potatoes, and baked celeriac with beluga lentils. So a real assortment of stuff there. Sounds like an amazing combination of flavours. Cannot wait to try the seaweed caviar. That sounds insane.
Yeah, cheers. Yeah, nice to meet you, mate.
Dark chocolate single beans. Each little bit of chocolate has a description on. So this one is a classic bitter dark chocolate, almost brutal, but quickly changing into a beautiful plum notes and pleasant tannins. And let's see if this is going to give off some beautiful plum notes. Oh, there's that brutality. And there is the plum washing through. I'm joking, but that's delicious. Lovely bit of chalk, high quality, good stuff. Well, you might be able to tell that I changed seats, and this seat actually has a bit more room. And I've done a lot of flying with TPG, but this is a first for me because I'm currently sat in the cockpit mid-flight. I can't actually believe it. I'm a little bit lost for words, to be honest, but I'm here with Captain First Officer Marcus and Robin. Give us a wave, guys. So, unlike everyone else on board, these two do know where we're going. I hope they do anyway, and they are guiding us towards our destination. Is this your first time flying a mystery flight full of passengers?
This is indeed the very first time for me. I didn't even know where we were going until just a few days ago. So even I was trying to find out. I am completely confident that this destination, everybody's going to have a fantastic weekend. The weather's going to be fantastic. That's all I can say for now. The rest is just there for you to enjoy.
Maybe you can give me a hint. How long roughly until we land in our destination?
Maybe a couple of hours, maybe 4,
Okay,
maybe 1 hour.
If you look to the boat right and left of us, you'll see some land right below us, and what you're actually seeing is sunny Greece. And ahead of you, a weekend in beautiful Athens, where
Well, the big reveal is in, and from the Greek music playing behind me, you can probably tell we are going to Athens, which is super exciting. I've been to Greece before, but I've never been to Athens, and oh, I cannot wait for a bit of sun. What an awesome place to be going to. And that is touchdown in Athens, Greece. Woo! Well, I've arrived safely into Athens, Greece after one of the most unique experiences of my life. Honestly, that whole flight from start to finish, from the party at the boarding gate, from the great food on board, the build-up and the atmosphere and excitement amongst the passengers was incredible. And overall, if you're looking for a sense of adventure and something a little bit different from your regular trip, I would highly recommend a Destination Unknown mystery flight. And with that being said, I think it's time for me to go and explore this beautiful city. And if you want to see more of that, you can go and watch my full weekend itinerary over on TPG Arrivals.